Folks, if you have chickens and you want to get them some fresh cracked corn, don't buy it, and don't buy no expensive meal either. Save your money. I'll show you how to do it inexpensive. You can go to your local thrift store and get this item to do the job. You can turn this shelled corn into nice cracked corn. And also you can sift it and get your cornmeal flour. Now this is what I use, believe it or not. A good old house blender. Take and you put the lid on it, put a little bit in at a time. You hit grind and let it grind. And look at it work. Why waste your money on a cornmeal grinder? See that? $150 for a cornmeal grinder and up. $5 at a thrift store. Come over here. Look at that. Good cracked corn. Now you can't beat that. And these homesteaders having these $600 and $700 cornmeal grinders. You talking about a Homestead equipment. This is Homestead equipment. Hope you like this video.